guys, so this is the finished look of this unit. So I did record this yesterday, so today's been a complete day since I've installed this unit. So I wanted to kind of wait to give you guys my overall opinion about this hair. Now, straight off the bat, as you look at it right now, it is simply gorgeous AF. Now, excuse me guys, there is a nice thunderstorm going on outside, so if you hear anything, my apologies in advance. But like I was saying, as you can see the hair right now, I know you guys are probably like, damn, that's like legit. So this is a wig that was sent to me from RPGSHOW.com. So this is celebrity styled by Anthony Cuts. Now you can see where the celebrity stylist came into. Now he's really good at coloring hair, especially like blonde hair. So he did kind of like an ombre style theme to this one, and it's a very like pretty, guys. It's almost like a balayage mix as well too. So he did kind of like light brown colors, ash colors, and then did like this nice 613 platinum blonde towards the end. So what I wanted to do is kind of do that Jennifer Lopez style that she had, and it was kind of like almost exactly the way my hair is right now. So I really like this, guys. This is a lace front wig, so you get about 3.5 to 4 inches of parting space in the front. It's all tracks in the back. It does have 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and 1 comb in the back. So this one is definitely one of those wigs that I would say is really like high, you know, high end. If I had an event to go to and I wanted to slay the game with some color, I would slay with this unit just because it's pretty. Now, one thing I just did not like about this one that I was kind of going through back and forth yesterday when I was installing it was actually a longer install this time because I was trying to perfect stuff, because I don't know, when I put it on, I was like, oh my god, I need to work on this. So it's not going to come to you like completely customized. It definitely came pre-plucked, but I definitely had to go in and pre-pluck some more and then really customize the baby hairs around the perimeter. Like I said, when you're getting set wigs or when you're buying wigs, whatever it is, you're always gonna have to put like a little bit of work into it to make it look realistic and make it look like yours. So I did go in and customize, tweeze, do all that kind of stuff to it. I think it looks really good though. It did come pre-plucked, so the pre-pluck that they did was pretty good, but I wanted to go in and really make sure that this wig looked really realistic. Now, one thing that I really didn't like about this unit, guys, was the shedding. This unit shed a lot. Now, it shed a lot, and I'm confused about the shedding because it's not dry, it doesn't tangle or anything like that. So where is this shedding coming from? Now, I do say this in a lot of my videos, all hair sheds, so therefore, there's no company that can even... There's companies that lie, but there's no company that can 100% tell you that the hair doesn't shed. I say this in all my videos, all hair sheds, but for some reason, this particular unit sheds more than I would like it to. I did get this in a thicker density, about 180 to 200%, I believe. I will leave all the information down below. It is about 20 inches long, guys, and the density is good, but the density doesn't equal the shedding. So once it sheds, it's going to end up being like a natural density, like 130, 150. Hopefully the shedding stops. I did co-wash this unit prior to coming and styling it for you guys, so I'm crossing my fingers if I co-wash it one more time, deep condition it for about a day, that the shedding is going to stop. I absolutely love this hair though, and it just really sucks that I got shedding. Now, I know a lot of you guys think that YouTubers get like the best wigs and stuff like that. Well, in this case, I got shedding wigs, so therefore it's kind of one of those, you know, maybe I got the first one out of the batch that they're probably introducing, and that's why mine sheds a lot. But other than that, I think that the unit is absolutely, guys, when I mean, it is just every single thing I would want in a colored unit or unit that's ombre. They did an excellent job on this, guys. Even towards the end, you'll see the blonde as well too. It's about 20 inches long, but I think it's more like a 22 just because it hits like right below my breast area. I do think it's fun. I try to do like this up style, and then I wrapped a little bit of hair around the ponytail area. You can see the hairline, guys. The hairline is pretty good as well too. I really felt like this was probably like the most work I've ever done on a unit, and I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because at the end result, I'm very pleased with the way that this came out. So yeah. So other than that, the shedding thing, I just kind of feel like the hair is nice. Like, RPGSHOW does have units that are pricey though, guys, so really like look at it and reconsider, or consider your options when purchasing this unit. Now, guys, I will leave everything down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from RPGSHOW.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!